Just about time to start the engine. Figured before I do that, I better get a fuel filter in front of the carburetor. And it's a Holley filter. The black things are Fragola, they're hose clamp covers. There's a worm-style hose clamp underneath those black things that look like AN fittings. I like the looks of them. I like them a lot better than just a naked hose clamp, so I'm using them. I thought about it for a little bit, and the 750 carb just seemed like it was a little bit too small for the motor with the size of the cam, 468 cubic inches. So I bought an 850 double pumper for it. And even after all these years, you have to admit that a double pumper Holley is just a beautiful carburetor. You gotta love those dual feed bowls, and it's just gorgeous. I still love just looking at them. Bought my first one in 1976. I put on a 68 Olds 442. But hey, let's listen to it run. Put a little fuel in the bowls, give the accelerator pump a couple squirts, and a lit runner. Looks like the idle circuit might be a little bit bit. The smoke you see is all the grease and grime. Everything that I washed it idles pretty nicely at 750 RPM. It's really nice to have the engine running again, and as you can see from the inside of the fenders, I've sanded those out, and the next step will be to repaint them.